Okay, welcome to the Q2, the question 2 for the tutorial that we are talking about business transaction. This one is the Google Drive that you should have the link. So let's see the business transaction Django here. Okay, so in the previous tutorial, we can do the Python Django and then we can create a database already. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna to do the transaction. That is the way to run the business. Okay, so it's not just simply put the data and then show it like the catalog. Like last time that we used the REST API to show the data and then show the detail of the product. Okay, so let's see. When we said about the business transaction, in order to do the business transaction for the short code we have, you need to know the concept of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay, so actually this one we apply it by we are using Python Django. For example, when we use a data model, we do the inheritance, right? And then when we do the REST API, everything is encapsulated, right? So we cannot access the object. We need to do everything past the REST API URL. Okay, so with that we're gonna do it, and then the polymorphism is mean we can have more than one way to use the method. However, in Python Django we apply it already, but we didn't need to care whether which kind of concept we are using. We just make sure that it's work. Okay, so in the Python Django at this moment you should be able to do the models and then the REST API. Okay, so and then this is the GitHub for this lesson. So I open the GitHub first here. Okay, here we are. Okay, so let's start. So what is the business transaction? It's a wallet app. Okay, so you think about the wallet app is like the food cart, right? I mean, when you go to want to purchase the food, have the lunch in the food cart, they not allow you to pay the money right away to the merchant, right? In the shop. You need to pay use the real money to pay for the coupon, right? The coupon is like the simulated money or just like the money in the game, right? I mean, it's virtual money. You cannot use it outside the food court. Yeah. So in our wallet app, it's the same thing. I mean, when the people want to use transaction within the realm, so we have the wallet app that they need to deposit the real money. So when they deposit, what happened is that the money go into the wallet already, so the wallet have the for you, right? And then we keep transfer the for you of when we deposit. So it means the for you of money is transferred. Most of the time, they transfer from you, I mean, from your wallet to the shop wallet, like something like see account A account B, something like that. And after we finish the job for one day,